Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make egg flan. First, let's create the caramel base. Combine 1/2 cup of granulated sugar with 2 tablespoons of water in a small saucepan. Cook this mixture over medium heat, stirring occasionally, until it transforms into a beautiful, rich amber color. Immediately and carefully pour the hot caramel into your baking dish, ensuring it coats the bottom evenly. Next, we'll prepare the creamy custard. In a large bowl, whisk together 4 large eggs and 1/2 cup of granulated sugar until they are thoroughly combined and slightly pale. Slowly incorporate 2 cups of whole milk and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, mixing gently. For an incredibly silky smooth flan, strain the entire custard mixture through a fine mesh sieve into a separate bowl. This removes any small lumps. Now it's time to bake our flan. Carefully pour the strained custard mixture over the cooled caramel in your prepared baking dish. Place this dish into a larger roasting pan. Fill the larger pan with hot water, creating a water bath that comes about halfway up the sides of your flan dish. Bake in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 45 to 60 minutes, or until set. Once baked, let the flan cool completely on a wire rack. Then, refrigerate it for at least 4 hours, or even better, overnight, to allow it to fully set and chill. When ready to serve, run a thin knife around the edge of the dish, then invert it onto a serving plate. The caramel will cascade beautifully over the flan. Check the description for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.